Hey there, data enthusiasts. Do you want to become a data pro in just 8 months? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through an exciting roadmap that'll turn you into a data wizard. Let's jump right in. First up, SQL. It's the backbone of data management. In the first month, focus on learning SQL basics. Dive into select statements, where clauses, and join operations. Practice on real databases. Trust me, mastering SQL will open up countless doors for you. Next, SAS and Excel. In month 2, familiarize yourself with SAS for advanced analytics and Excel for data manipulation. Excel macros, pivot tables, and lookup functions should be your best friends. You'll be amazed at how powerful Excel can be. Month 3, it's all about data analytics. Learn how to interpret data, spot trends, and make data-driven decisions. Study statistical methods and get comfortable with tools like Power BI and Tableau. Speaking of Power BI, month 4 is dedicated to mastering it. Learn how to create stunning dashboards and reports. Understand Power Query and Power Pivot for data transformation and modeling. And don't forget DAX-Queries. They're essential for creating complex calculations. In month 5, dive deeper into Tableau. This tool is a game changer for data visualization. Learn to build interactive and insightful visualizations. Connect Tableau to different data sources and take your data storytelling to the next level. By month 6, it's time to get into data science. Start with Python or R programming. Understand machine learning basics, data pre-processing, and model building. This is where the magic happens. Month 7 is all about honing your skills. Work on real-world projects, participate in Kaggle competitions, and contribute to open-source projects. The more you practice, the better you become. Finally, month 8 is about refining and showcasing your expertise. Build a portfolio of your best work, share your projects on GitHub, create a LinkedIn profile, and network with other data professionals. This will boost your credibility and open up job opportunities. So, there you have it. A step-by-step guide to becoming a data pro in just 8 months. Remember, the key is consistency and practice. Stay curious, keep learning, and never stop exploring the world of data. You've got this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Until next time, keep digging into data.